Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off Auto Google Sync on your Android smart device. And it may also be iOS, it doesn't really matter, but this pertains to the Google Chrome app, basically the mobile web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner, and you want to select the settings gear button near the bottom of this list. And then you can select underneath you in Google, turn on sync and personalize across devices. Go ahead and select that. It may say something slightly different if you're already synced up. You just would select yes, I'm in order to activate that. Otherwise, you could just come back onto that first option and then just turn off that feature or opt out. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.